Hi guys and welcome back. So it's currently 6:50 and I'm starting by boiling the beans which I'd soaked since morning, and here I'm sharing with you how I'm able to cook, clean and organize my kitchen within only 20 minutes guys. I started this timing myself whenever I'm doing anything, either cleaning, either cooking, either folding clothes, and it has really been working for me. So I would enter into a room and which needs to be cleaned and organized, and I will set a timer of 20 minutes, and I'm telling you guys, within the end of those 20 minutes I'll be done with everything guys. So try this to save time. It has really been helping me to be doing so much in the house. Also guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly guys, so subscribe to my channel and support a girl to grow.